Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. The recipe I am going to share with you is something which almost all of us have it, irrespective of hunger. This is just a pastime snack, that is popcorn. I'm going to share a very basic version of this. This is 100 grams of dried corn kernels, easily available in all the grocery stores. Now, take any thick bottomed vessel, add 5 to 6 tablespoons oil which doesn't have strong flavor, heat it up, add 3/4 spoon salt, quarter spoon red chili powder for spice. You may add little more if you want to have more spice. On low flame, fry little for few seconds. And now add these corn kernels. By adding these spices, initially makes them spread all over the popcorn easily. Now combine all the ingredients for just few seconds, 15-20 seconds, close with a lid, increase the flame to medium now. See, in just 2 minutes they start popping. Don't open the lid at all, otherwise they may spill on us. They start popping in less than 2 minutes. The entire procedure takes 5 minutes maximum. You can see them popping. This is a treat to eyes, particularly for kids. They get tempted when they see this popping. Almost all kernels got popped. I'm just waiting so that if at all there are any few left, they'll get popped. Now put off the stove when the popping slows down. I've put off the stove now. The heat remaining inside the wok pops the remaining kernels, if at all there are any. Popping stopped completely now. Now put it aside, mix them gently. No kernels are left without being popped. I'm just checking, and even if there is any little salt or chili powder left at the bottom, I can even mix it up by doing like this. The easy and tasty popcorn is ready. I think this is useful to many households. If you like it, please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.